Get the mighty. Oh, he's on. Oh. What is it? Oh, it's a little cod. Baby cod. Another little cod. Another little cod. Another little cod, look. Fourth cod of the trip. Two big ones and two little ones. Okay, I'll let him go. Just put him here. I'll go and get my grippers. Pliers. There you go, mate, you're free. Right, I'll let him go back in. Right, here he goes. Come on. There you go, mate. There he goes. Slowly swimming away. Oh, he took off now. That's very good. He's off. A little cod too, I think. Only just left him. Little cod. See him? That's done. Breakfast is just about done. Doesn't look too bad. Right out, I'm going to have a feed, then go fishing. Pack up and go. Fish all day, most of it. Oh. Trying to have breakfast and the fish biting behind me. I don't know. Let's go. See what we can do this harvey. Got one fish this morning. Plus that little cod on the line. That's 2 today. 3 yesterday. did get hooked up here yesterday and I tied it off. I wonder if he swam off or broke it or what. I don't know. I'll go straight to there. I've got my lure though. I got my lure back. Well, that's something. Didn't get the fish, but I got my lure. It's good. Got a touch then. Oh yeah, he got it that time. Oh, far out. Oh yeah. Oh, he caught this bloke, I think. Oh, good cod too, my Christ. He's a good cod, this one. Oh, a long way from getting this bloke, I think. I lost him. Oh, I lost him. Nearly lost my bloody paddle. My Christ, he's a nice fish. I got him in the net anyway. He was a big cod. 80 centimetres. Easy. Bloody hell. My friggin' paddle. He pulled me paddle in. I nearly lost my paddle. Stuff that. I'd rather lose the fish. Oh, that was how good was that? Oh, real. He was a cracking cod. Oh, got a fish on. Oh. Oh, got a fish on. Oh, it's a little yellow belly, but oh, gee, he's got some toe in him for a little fella. Little yellow belly. Oh. Nice little fish. He had some toe in it for a little bloke. Nice fish, nice fish. Look at this little fella. Cracking little fish. Second fish of the day. Fifth fish for the trip. Rightio. In he goes. Back you go, mate. He's gone. Ooh, hit it again, I reckon. Have another go at it. Yeah, another hit it. Oh, he's done it again. He's on this time. Oh. 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 He's a cod. Yeah, he had a couple of goes at it, I'll tell you, before he got it. He had a couple of goes, that bloke. This is this cod you just seen me catch a minute ago. The 6th fish of the trip, 5th cod. Okie doke, I might pack up and head. If you liked the show, please subscribe, and of course, thumbs up. Catch you on the flip side. Okie doke, I'll let this fella go. He's gone. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Oh. Oh, we got a bit of tow in him too. Oh, he's a nice yellow belly. Good yellow belly, this fella. Don't put those trebles into me, my friend. 2nd yellow belly for the day. Get you out. Oh. Rightio. There he is. Nice little yellow belly. Anyway, we might just let him go.